Leans forward, takes a head on his neck. A blitz coming. Vrabel stands in, throws the ball toward the middle. Ball's batted in the air, incomplete. Knocked away by Marcus Jones. And there's the denial to lift the Patriots to their 9th straight win and their 10th overall.
We beat Florida yesterday, so we gotta show some love. Come on! Today, Matt. Come on, bro. Let's go, baby. Yeah.
First team in the league to get to 10 wins. Let's do it. Be behind each other the whole time. Have a bunch of energy. Let's turn up.
Let's do it, baby. Game on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Come on!
Let's do what we need to do. Playmakers on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Doing great.
Hey, make a statement today. Make a statement right now. Let's go. Hey, DB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. DB. Let's go.
We all we got. We all we need. 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 We all we got. We all we need.
Stay poised, boys. We about to get in the rhythm now. We just got to be a little bit saltier first, second down. Like, we're fine. We're fine. We just got to settle down first, second down, okay? We need to have mercy now. Hey, let's go respond.
Collins to the left. Pop Douglas motions right to left, fake to him. Maye's back to pass pressure. Moves up off balance, throw wide open outside. Hunter Henry all alone to waltz into the end zone and leap with a spot. Touchdown, Patriots!
Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. Hell of a job. I'm ready to go.
Let's go. Come on, I need to see something. Let's go.
The veteran quarterback with a play fake and a deep drop. A lot of time. Double play. Picked up. Goodbye. Running left side 15-10. Turning around. Backpedaling into the end zone. It's Marcus Jones. Another pick six against Cincinnati.
Communicate. Okay, keep them in bounds. They shouldn't have a timeout.
Takes a head on his neck. A blitz coming. Vrabel stands in, throws the ball toward the middle. Ball's batted in the air, incomplete. Knocked away by Marcus Jones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you?